intsha iyahlupheka, intsha iyantula at the moment, intsha ikhanywa ngamanzi, squealing and kicking baya e-Europe, baya yonke indawo emhlabeni wonke, which is not supposed to do. Labantu bafanele kube yibo ba-create imisebenzi lapha. Manje the leaders omunye nomunye usebenzela isisu sakhe, nama-opposition usebenzela isisu sakhe. You cannot compare i-opposition nabantu abanye. Akafani nabanye ukuthi no, this one there's a ruling party that said uchallenger imoto ehamba nomuntu osebenzela i-ruling party oku-cabinet nayo uyayifuna the same. So asikho isikhathi akasahlali nabantu emphakathini elokishini, akasahlali nabantu emakhaya kuma-rural area, akasahlali nabantu ezinkomponi lana kade campaign khona bamkhetha khona. Usesukile manje, usehlala emasabhabhini, usehlala endlini afanele bayibone khona house. So yiyo lento which makes abantu babe despondent, bangasaphindi bamamele izinto ezikhulunywa ngabantu ukuthi lezi zinto azilunganga. Sisebenzela lo muntu eningane zakhe asayila esikoleni lese afunde khona yena, azilana afunde khona yena, ingane zakhe seziya kwesinye isikole. So try and unify with the people and identify with the people. The leaders bezinabantu, beziphila nabantu, onkomo bebephila nabantu, omgabe bebephila nabantu emakhaya, esikhathi nabo sithole bebephila nabantu. So lento yenziwa ama-leaders amanje awabona, ubona ngama-blue lights noma angawinanga. So into efunekayo njengamanje ukuthi kubuyelwe back entsheni with a better new program, new slogan. Islogan esitsha ukuthi kufunekani yini into ehlupha umphakathi, job creation, abantu abangasayi ngaphandle bangasenzini, because war has changed. Asafani nakuqala ukuthi uyahamba ehlathini uyolanda isibhamu. Manje war has changed. Isiliwa ngeballot, ufuna bakuvotele, the old ladies bakuvotele, and then you must sweet tongue talk them ukuthi bangene kulento. Yona lento efunekayo. Kanjalo nje ngithi mina no, ababuyele emphakathini bancenge baphaphathe ngezandla bahlale phansi kolunga konke. Doesn't matter how small you are or which tribe you come from. Uthi no, mina come from a smaller tribe. No, Bheka Ramaphosa uphuma from the smallest tribe in South Africa. Nanguyabuza, you know. So people must not be but acanga ukuthi hayi mina I'm small. No, you can rule it. And kanjalo nje. And cancel tribalism. All it must go well. No tribalism, no favoritism. Siyobuyela.